English Dialogue 1.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm fine. How about yourself?
I'm pretty good. Thanks for asking.
No problem. So how have you been?
I've been great. What about you?
I've been good. I'm in school right now.
What school do you go to?
I go to Harvard University.
Do you like it there?
It's okay. It's a really big campus.
Good luck with school.
Thank you very much. Dialogue 2. How's it going?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Never better, thanks.
So how have you been lately?
I've actually been pretty good. You?
I'm actually in school right now.
Which school do you attend?
I'm attending Harvard University right now.
Are you enjoying it there?
It's not bad. There are a lot of people there.
Good luck with that.
Thanks.